How to create a Microsoft account in our phone. I'll be using Google. You can use any other browsing apps. We'll type Microsoft account in our search bar and then we'll reach in Microsoft official website. Then we will get to see sign in there. We can tap on sign in and then we'll get to see sign in and create one there. We will tap on create one and then we'll tap on next. Then we have to add our email address there. And if you don't have an email address, we can get a new email address and go through the same further process. After adding our email address here, then we have to tap on next. After that, we will have to create a password. And after creating a password, we will get a verifying email where we get a code, and we have to enter a code there, and then we will successfully create an account. Then we'll have to solve a puzzle so that they can confirm we're not a robot. And after solving all the puzzles, we are done with one puzzle and we have to solve two more. So we will be done with 2 seconds more and then the final puzzle. And after the puzzle is done, the verification is completed. And as now we can see that our account is now created. And yeah, this is it. This is how we create a Microsoft account in our mobile phone.